Beneath my flight, you define me, my potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you, my potential inside. Just keep your eyes closed. Okay. Just going to open somebody. Keep your eyes closed. Open your eyes. See, somebody has come jumping like with happiness to say good evening to you. A small soft toy. See the cat has come. Yeah. See how he's jumping. He's jumping with each leg one time, and then he's happily jumping. Good evening, children. Say good evening to all your friends out there. Yeah, big good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, good evening. Now I'm going to close.
Good evening, cat.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. Now I'm going to close this and we are going to get back to our activity. Okay, so what we are going to do today is we're going to flap like a butterfly. You remember? Once we did early, fast flapping and then slowly. Okay, so get ready. You can just sit and do, and if you want, you can just stand. Okay, when ma'am says fast, you should flap it fast. When ma'am says slow, wave it like this slowly. Okay, we're going to sing and then do. Okay, first we'll do it fast. Fly, fly, butterfly, in the garden fly away, over all pretty flowers. Fly, fly, butterfly. Remember this rhyme? I told you like next week I'll ask you. Yeah, fly, fly, butterfly. We are going to do it slowly now, okay? Then we'll do this activity. Slowly. Fly, fly, butterfly, in the garden fly away, over all pretty flowers. Fly, fly, butterfly. Very good, Kaushik. Welcome, Kaushik. Okay, so I'm going to say fast. You're going to flap it fast, okay? Ready? Fast flapping. Fast, 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 fast. You flap, 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 flap. Slow, slow, gently, slowly. Fast, 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 fast. Slowly, slow, 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 slow. Fast, 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 fast. Okay. Now all have waved your hands, and now I think everybody is brisk and active. Quickly with that, Entu will mark our attendance. Okay. We are going see. It's been It's been last 2 weeks. Okay. I don't want anybody to confuse yourself. Relax. First, I want you to say here I am. Then your name. Okay. And then yo. First, I want just to hear here I am. Okay, even if you don't say your name, that's fine. I think most of them have learned your name now, by then now. So I want you to say here I am. If you remember, say your name. My name is, and then yo. Okay, we'll start now. Just listen carefully. Only if you listen carefully, you can listen what when ma'am is calling your name. I'm going to start with Adya Shri.
Here I am, Adya Yo-Yo.
Very good. Araf.
Here I am, my name is Alavai Yo-Yo.
Perfect. Akshat.
Here I am, my name is Akshat Yo-Yo.
Perfect. Arjun.
And my name is Arjun Yo-Yo.
Dayanand. Perfect. Gautam.
My name is Gautam Yo-Yo. Here I am, my name is Gautam Yo-Yo.
Perfect. Ritvik.
I am here. Here
No problem. Yeah.
Fake Yo-Yo.
Very good. Jayakrish. Jayakrish.
Here I am, my name is Jayakrish Yo-Yo.
Perfect.
Yo-Yo.
Kaushik.
My name is
Okay. Kavin. Kavin, I think, has not joined still.
Here
Has
I
Kavin
am.
joined?
My name is Kavin Yo-Yo.
Oh, Kavin, you're there. Very good, Kavin. Okay. Kumara Kuruparan. Kumara Gurubaran. Kumara Gurubaran has joined. No. Okay. Lakshita ji.
My name is Lakshita. I am here and Yo-Yo.
Okay. Lakshraj.
My name is Mr. Here I am. My name is Mr. Raj Yo-Yo.
Perfect, Lakshraj. Very good. Bingo. Lisha.
Here I am Lisa Yo-Yo.
Lakshita S. I didn't see her. Okay. We'll move on to the next person on the line. Satvik.
My name is Akrit Yo-Yo.
Okay, Satvik. Nivin Suya. Here I am. Nivin Suya. Here I am.
So here I am.
Yo-Yo.
My name is Sim.
Yo-Yo.
ஒரு ஆள் சொல்லி மட்டும் இதுவாகாதுல்ல இருக்கிறது 3 பேர் தானே இதுல என்ன மட்டும் நம்மளால அதுதான் குடிக்கிறோம் குழந்தைய வச்சுக்கோ 2 குழந்தை
Roshan.
காசு அனுப்ப சொல்லு
Here I am. My name is Roshan Yo-Yo.
Perfect. Mahasan.
My name is Wasim Yo-Yo.
Rayan.
My name is Ryan Roberts Yo-Yo.
Here I am. You forgot. Sai Charan.
My name is Yo-Yo.
Okay. Izan. Izan. Has Izan joined with us? No. Okay. Shiva.
Yo. Here I am. My name is Siva Yo-Yo.
Perfect. Seven.
Here I am. My name is Siva Yo-Yo.
Very good. Varnika.
This.
Varnika is here.
My name is Vanika Yo-Yo.
Okay. I'm trying to find where are you, Varnika. Ah, I got you. Okay. Good evening, Varnika.
Good evening.
Yuvan Sai.
My name is Ivan Sai. Here. Yo-Yo.
Very good. Good evening, Yuvan Sai. Okay, I think we're done with that attendance. Now, quickly we are going to do our activity worksheet. Others, please stay on mute. I can hear some disturbances. Please stay on mute. Okay, what we're going to do is we are quickly going to learn a concept, and then we are going to do our worksheet quickly, and then we are going to do this heart. Okay, this is what I got to show you. I thought I should send a photo, but not to confuse, I didn't send. So this is the wall hanging we are going to do today. Those who have got hearts today, good. If not, no problem. I just want you to cut hearts like this of different shape. You can try it on Saturday, Sunday too. No problem. You don't have to rush or hurry. Those who have got it, good, we'll do it today. Okay, if you have got this 4 hearts, if you have not colored it, we are going to color it and then hang it like this with the rope and with the bangle and use it. Okay, so those who have got, if those who have not got it, you can ask your parents if they are free, they can cut the hearts now. If not, no problem, you can do it on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, children. Okay, show me thumbs up, everyone. Yes, Lakshraj. Very yeah. Can you show thumbs up? Yes.
Ma'am?
Yes, Lakshraj.
I am only Bengal. No mistake.
It's okay, don't talk. Let teacher.
Okay. Okay, Lakshraj. Others, keep your hearts down. We are not going to do the hanging now. We are going to do the worksheet. We are going to learn something new, and then we'll start. Okay, children. Everybody, show me. Yes. Yes, Rayan. Tell me. Yeah, like Jay Chris, tell me. I I can't
Thumbs
hear
up,
you.
ma'am.
Yeah, Lakshraj, tell me.
सबको बोलो.
Thumbs up, ma'am.
Oh, very good, very good.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, Jai.
Yes, ma'am, tell me. I cannot hear you. I think you're on mute. Jai Krish, mom.
Jai Krish wants to tell he will complete the activity by tomorrow.
No problem, Jai Krish. You take your own time. You have 2 days holidays. You can do it on even on Monday. No problem. Okay, that's fine. Absolutely fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to start now. I'm going to show you the screen. Before we go on to our learning, we are going to sing the rhyme. God's love. Okay. Yes, children, sit properly. Nothing should be in your hand on lap. I want you to all sit freely, casually. Relax yourself. I don't want anything on your hand. Pencil, notebook or slate, anything. Show me your hands. It should be free now. I don't want any pencils in your hand. Any toys, no pencils. Yeah.
Adi.
So, what is that? You and Sai, please stay on mute. Hands. Yeah, what is the classroom rule? 5 rules?
Sorry, ma'am.
Please don't unmute. Okay, 5 rules. What is eyes? Look at me. Your eyes should look at ma'am. Ears, you should only hear what ma'am is saying. Okay? Mouth, no talking, only for singing and when ma'am is calling you. Okay? Then hands, not onto your mouth or onto your head or somewhere. Onto your lap. Onto your lap. You're going to see, yeah. And then your foot on the floor. That means you sit properly. Is everybody sitting properly? Yes. Okay. So now, God, you're going to sing after me slowly. Okay? God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. See, when I say love, it's V. So my teeth is touching my tongue, lips. See, love. Yeah. It's so high. It's so high. You can't get over it. It's so high. You can't get over it. It's so deep. You can't get under it. It's so deep. You can't get under it. It's so wide. Wide. It's so wide. You can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Very good, children. You cooperated well and sang. Very nice. Very nice. I like this rhyme session today. Okay. So now I'm going to show you some picture. Okay, we are going to see that. And before that, I want to tell you something. See. You're all able to see my writing pad. See, I have a writing pad. Okay. You have to see this pen. Okay. See, I'm going to keep this here. That means this marker is above my slate, right? I'm going to keep it down. So what is it now? Is it above? No, it's below. Below. Where's the sky? Show me the sky, children. Where's the sky? Sky. Yeah, sky is above our head. Where is sky? Above our head. Okay. Where's the floor? Floor. You know floor? Where you're keeping your leg. Yeah, it is below. Below. Sky is above, below. So we are going to learn this today. Okay. I'll just quickly show you a picture. You're going to tell me above or below. Okay. Give me a moment. I'm just going to share my screen. I want everybody to keep your eyes on me, on the mobile or the computer. No talking to your parents or anywhere turning around. Sit straight. Only then I'll show you. If not, we'll not do the heart hanging today. Okay. You are able to see? See, there is a box here. Yes? You see a cupcake? Yes? So the cupcake is above the box. It's above the box. Is it touching the box? No, it is above it. Are we touching the sky? No, right? It is above. So when something which is on over, above you and not touching, we say it as above. When the same thing is touching, we'll say it as on. On. I'll just zoom it so that it will be a little more clear. Yes. Better. Above. A. Repeat along with me. A. B. O. V. E. Above. Above. Above means on top. Above us. Okay. Below. Below. B. E. L. O. W. Below. See, this is below. Below. So we are going to learn only these two today. So just learn this two. This are other things. On and under all we'll look later. Okay. So this is above and this is below. Okay. Above is at the top and below is down. So everybody know above and below. In the rhyme we sang God's love, right? What did we say? It's so high. So what did we do? We raised our hands up. Sky is above us. Okay. When you go to beach, the water will be below. It will touch your feet. It will be below. Okay. So this is above and below. Read it again. A. Read it along with me. Open your mouth, please. A. B. O. V. E. Above. B. E. L. O. W. Below. Above. Below. Above. Below. Okay, now I want you to take your rough note. And those who have worksheet, please take date 10 SR D10 LT WS01. Write your name, children. Put today's date. Ma'am is going to write the date today. I'm going to write the date now. Okay, what is today's date? 26/06/2020. And you're going to write your name and the date. Okay. Little bigger. Please write today's date in your rough note. And those who have worksheet, please take Sai Charan, Ritvik, Lisha, please take SR D10 LT WS01. Mahaswin, I think you also have worksheet, right? Please take that, Shiva. Put today's date. This worksheet is very simple, okay? Okay. So I'm going to ask Yuvan Sai. Yuvan Sai, tell me what do you see in this picture, Yuvan Sai? Yuvan Sai, please unmute and talk to me. Tell me what do you see in this picture?
Plane.
Yeah, the aeroplane. It's flying in the sky, right? And what all do you see?
Clouds.
Clouds. Yes, you're seeing clouds. You're seeing an aeroplane, right? Where is the aeroplane? It's below the clouds or above the clouds?
Huh? Below.
Sai, Yuvan Sai, think and tell me. Where is the clouds? Cloud is above the aeroplane or below?
Above.
Yeah, clouds are above the aeroplane. Very good. So here it is written the. Just look on the screen. You just have to look at the words. Okay. The. Yuvan Sai, say the. Yuvan Sai, repeat after me. The.
சொல்லு மேம் சொல்றாங்க
The
the
clouds
clouds
are above
above
the plane.
our plane.
See, the clouds are above the plane. Which is above the plane? See, the clouds are above the plane, right? So I'm going to match this. Okay. Others who have rough note, please write above. A. Write in your rough note A, B, E. Above. Let me write it little neatly. It's not looking nice. Okay. I'm going to write others. Those who have worksheet, join this. Those who have rough note, please write it with me. I'm going to write along with you. A, B, O, V, E. Above, above, above. A, B, O, V, E. Above. Sai Charan, tell me, what about the next picture? Where are the clouds? Above the aeroplane or below the aeroplane in this picture?
Below.
Yes, the clouds are below the aeroplane. So match this against this. Now keep your finger in your worksheet, Sai Charan. You're going to read along with me. Okay. The clouds, clouds
Clouds
are
are
below
below
the
the
plane. Plane.
plane.
Yeah, the clouds are below the plane. So those who have worksheet, join, we match this and rough note, please write it with me. Below B, E, L, O, W. Please write this neatly in your rough note. Below, above, below. B, E, L, O, W. Below. Finished? Okay. So now I'm going to open a picture. You're going to tell me what is the difference between those two pictures. Okay. Let me try making it little smaller. No, that's too small. That's much better, right? I'll just open it there. Okay, I'm going to first call. You're going to say me only one difference. Okay. Each one I call. Okay. So first I'm going to call Lakshraj. Lakshraj. Yeah, do you see my screen? Yeah, do you see the animals? Do you see the animals in the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the first picture. This is the second picture. Okay. So what I want you to do is find out something which is present in this picture, not in this picture. I am going to do one thing and tell you. Okay. See, now I'm seeing what is that. See, there is snake in this picture. Do you see the snake? Do you see the snake in this picture?
Yeah.
But the snake is here in this picture?
No.
No, like that you're going to tell me what is in this picture but not here. What is the difference between these two pictures? Okay, I'm going to take my red color. You're going to see the snake is here. Okay, I have found out snake. Snake is here, but snake is not in this picture. Okay, like that, find out and tell me what is the difference between these two pictures. Any one difference?
Steps Manjali.
Sorry, can you repeat that? I didn't get it properly.
Sleep star. Zebra.
Teacher la. Talk properly. Just tell teacher in first picture and in second picture.
First picture, second picture.
In second picture. Zebra.
There are no steps on zebra.
Okay, yes. Here the zebra has many stripes. See, the stripes are missing here. It doesn't have a stripes here, right? Very good, Lakshraj. Okay. I'll make it in black later on. Okay. Now I'm going to call Jay Krish. Tell me one difference between these two pictures.
Only one.
Ma'am, only monkey here, not
Very
here.
yes, monkey is here. Very good. Monkey is not here. Perfect. Okay, now we found out 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to call Kavin. Tell me what is in this picture, not here. Difference. Tell me one difference.
It's not have tail. They have tail. Lion tail.
Yes, the lion is having tail here. Very good. This lion is not having tail at all. Yes, perfect.
Yes.
Very good. Okay,
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
very good. I'm going to call Adya. Tell me one difference between these two pictures, Adya. Did you find anyone? I have found out one. If you're not going to tell, I'm going to tell.
This two coconut tree. This three coconut tree.
Perfect. Bingo answer. Yes, we don't have a coconut tree here, but we have a coconut tree here. Very good. Okay, so we found out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 difference. Okay, 2 more. Next, I'm going to call Mahaswin. Tell me one difference, Mahaswin, between these two pictures.
What?
Tell me what is present. Sorry.
Akda.
ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏది లేదో చెప్పు మ్యామ్కి మ్యామ్కి చెప్పు
Illel.
అదే నేను చెప్పాలి
The tree.
The tree. There is,
Berlin.
very good.
Hippopotamus.
Yeah, that's a hippopotamus. Yes, this tree has a bird and this tree doesn't have a bird. Very good, Mahaswin. Good job. Okay, I'm going to call Arav. Tell me what is the one more difference is there. Last difference. What is the last difference, Arav?
Teeth.
Yes,
This
yes,
is not
hippopotamus.
same.
Very good. Perfect. Perfect. The hippopotamus is smiling here with the teeth. Here we don't have a teeth. Very good. Superb. Very good. Did you all like this? If you show me thumbs up, I'll understand. If not, show me like this.
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay.
like this.
Very good. Okay, so I'm going to stop this. I'm going to close this. We're going to revise number names quickly and we're going to start with our craft. Okay, the heart craft. Okay, so I'm going to show you the number names. You're going to read it along with me. I want every one of you to keep your pencils down. No more writing. Okay, no more writing. You all wrote above and below, right? That's it. No more writing today. I want everybody to look onto the screen and repeat it along with me. Okay, we're going to start from 21. Okay. TWENTY. Okay, now I'm going to repeat it slowly. You're going to repeat with me. 21. TWENTY. 20. I repeat. TWENTY. 20. And then 1. ONE. 1. ONE. 2. 1. 21. Next. 2. 22. Only if you look onto the screen, you will get to see the word, and every time you see the word 20, 20, 20, you'll get onto your mind. If you start somewhere and you just keep your mouth like this, blah 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 blah, it will not get into your mind. So I want everybody to look on the screen. Okay, only if you keep on seeing this words 20, 20 again and again, it will get on to you. You'll always remember. So please look here. TWENTY. 20. TWO. 22. 2, 3, 23. T W E N T Y 20 T H R E E 323 2 4 24 T W E N T Y 20 F O U R 4 24 2 5 25 T W E N T Y 20 F I V E 25. So I want now you all to take a rough note. Okay, and you're going to write 21 to 25 now. Okay. Take out your rough note, children, pencils. Those who have worksheet, I think you will have it under day 6. So I'll just find it out. If you are able to find out your worksheet, you can take your worksheet. If not, you can write in a rough note. I'll just check if you have that in some day. Give me a minute.
What of the boys? What of
Ma'am, it is day 4.
Day 4, okay. If you okay, thank you, ma'am. So in day 4, if you have not written it, Sai Charan, Lisha, Shiva, anybody, if you have not written, you can trace it in your worksheet. If not, if you have already finished it, you write the rough note now. I want everybody to open your mouth, spell it, and then write. TWENTY 20 ONE 1. I want it right at least till 23. Okay. If you have, maybe we will be running out of time. I just want to write till 23. I'll just remove this. 23, 21, 22, 23. Write 3 numbers in your rough note. Are you all writing? I'm coming back to see you. Yes, you're all writing. I'll just. Lisha, can you write? Just write 3 numbers, okay? I'm not troubling you so much. We'll write only 3 numbers. 21, 22, 23. Write those 3 numbers alone. If you have finished, show me thumbs up so that I'll get to know. Okay, you're going to write only 3 numbers, children. 21, 22, 23. Okay, because I want you to practice 20 while you are in the class with every children other there. Keep it on the table or keep it on the floor. Sit comfortably and then write. Write neatly, okay? I think somebody has written and they are showing me. Nivin Surya has written. Very good, Nivin Surya. Superb.
Thank you.
thank you?
Lakshita, are you writing? Lisha is writing. Varnika, are you writing? Aravaksha is writing. Shiva is writing. Satvik is writing. Adya is writing. Maswin is writing. Roshan is writing. Yes. Kavin is writing. Kaushik, I'm going to find you. Where are you? Lakshraj is writing. Sachin is writing. Okay. Okay. Roshan is writing. Okay. Just 3 numbers. 21, 2, 1. Just say 2, 1, 21. 2.
Finish.
Finished. Okay. 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. Say and write. Then only you'll get used to that numbers. Writing. Ocean is writing. Okay. Yuvan Sai, please take the pencil out of your mouth. Finish, Yuvan Sai. If you finish, show me thumbs up. Satvik, are you writing, Satvik? I'm waiting for you, Satvik. You finished? Perfect. Okay. Arav Akshat, okay, somebody, Arav Akshat, who has finished? I'm not able to see your notebook. Yeah. Very good. Can you just, yeah, yes. Very good. You wrote above and below also, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I can see that. Very good. Neat. Are you Arav or Akshat?
I'm done.
Done. Okay.
I'm done.
I'm not able to see your face, dear. Okay. Who are you, Arav or Akshat? You're Akshat? Really? So you, so you will always sit in this side only, right? Akshat will sit in this side only, right?
Finished, ma'am.
Finish. Okay.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Adya. Okay, Lakshita.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay. If you finish, show me thumbs up and notebook. Please don't unmute. Yes, Kavin. Very good. Yes, Arav Akshat. Yes, Lakshita. Good. Thumbs up. Yes. Lisha, okay. Great. Jayakrish, okay. I saw that. Varnika, okay. Adya, okay. I saw. Yes, Dayanand, I saw. And who is this? Can you just show your face and then your notebook? I'm going to okay, Maswin. Yes, Maswin. Yes, Lakshat. Perfect. Nivin Surya showed me. Yes, Arav Akshat. I saw Arav. Yes, Gratvik. Good. Yes, Shravan. Good. So why I asked you to write is Monday randomly. Like random is like I'm ask anyone. I want Monday I will ask you the spelling of 20. Yes, Kaushik. Good, Kaushik. Very good. Monday I will ask you the spelling of 20. Okay. By then you should all be thorough with 20 spelling. TWENTY. And next week, if we have time any day, we'll do a small activity. Okay, I'll ask you questions. You're going to tell me the number names. Okay, okay, children. Because till end of senior KG, you will have questions related to number names. So by Jai Krish, don't scare me. Don't do that. Yes. So who is showing me empty? Yeah, Shiva. Good, Shiva. Okay, I think all of you have done. Yes. So who is this? Jaya Bharati. I'm not able to see your face there. Yeah, Yuvan Sai. Good, Yuvan Sai. Neat. Okay. So now shall we all do the hat? Yes. Wall hanging hat. Okay. Please keep your pencils and notebook down. Take out your hats.
Hello. Ma'am,
Ma'am, we can't hear your voice.
ma'am, you want me to, ma'am?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. I'm sorry, there was a network issue here at my home. That's why. So, did you all get? We are going to make heart like this. Are you able to see this? Are you able to see this? Everybody has got hearts and bangles. See, I got a bangle, bigger heart, little small, smaller than that, and this is smallest. Okay, we are going to do this now. Okay, I am also having a hearts like you have a bigger one and then a smaller one. Okay, and then little smallest like this, and then very small, little bigger than that. Okay, I'll show you one by one. Smallest. Okay, this is little smaller than that. I'm sorry, bigger than that. This is little bigger, and this is biggest. Okay, so what we're going to do is, I just, if you have got plain white color hearts, you can take a crayon, color it whatever color you want. You can give a border different color, inside different color, or the same color. See, I have done like a dark orange or red outside, and inside I've given orange. Or if you've got color papers like this heart, if you've got color papers, you don't have to color it. Okay, so those who have got white paper, white hearts, you can color it now. Okay, if you've already got it colored, you can take the rope. See, ma'am has also got a rope. Okay, if you already colored the hearts, then please get help from your parents. If you have the punching, you can punch hole like this, or else you can take a pencil. You can don't do. Please get help from your parents. Okay, parents or elder sisters or brother you have. Ask them to punch a hole like this at the top and at the bottom. Yes, Mahaswin, you please punch a hole at the top and at the bottom like this. In all the hearts. See, I have got it punched yesterday night, so I have got it ready. We have time, no problem. Relax yourself. Get the crayons if you have white paper. But I want only you to do the coloring, okay? For coloring, I don't want you to get help from parents. You like coloring light, children, so you have to color by yourself. So because this heart, who is going to make? It's you, okay? So like this. Kavin, you got hearts for the activity. Shravan is coloring. Shravan has already colored, huh? He's coloring. Okay, can you color, Shravan, the white color one? You got yellow, black. Okay. Oh, you're going to use the different colors. Okay, perfect. If you want to color, children, you can color it. Otherwise, see what I'm doing is, those who have already got it colored or you've got color papers. So I'm going to first take the smallest one. The smallest one. Okay. I've got a rope here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to insert it in this hole like this, get it out and insert it back again into the second hole like this. Got it? To the first heart, I've got it hold. So first color the, Roshan, please sit straight. We are in the class. Please sit straight. No lying down. So those who have got hearts, take the smallest heart. Okay, take the smallest heart, color it first, and then put 2 holes, and then do like this. Jay Krish, no problem. You have Saturday, Sunday. Do that time, and then give me on Monday. Show me on Monday. Okay, or send me the photo. Okay. Honest, when you come to school, I'll give you this heart. Okay, to you. See, ma'am, and then ask your parents help you put a small knot below so that the heart doesn't come out. Smallest heart. Even Sai, what are you? Even, no problem, I'll wait. Even Sai, why are you sad? You didn't get the heart? Even Sai, why are you sad? Sorry?
No, material.
No, I didn't get that word properly. Can you repeat it again?
No heart.
No problem. I will give you my heart to you. Why are you being sad for this? I'm going to give it to you. Okay? Okay, when you come back to school, I'm going to give you this heart for Jay Krish. I'm going to give the orange one. Okay? No problem. Don't feel sad for
Thank
this.
you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Shravan, you hang the first one. Very good. Now take the second the next little bigger one. Okay? Yes, Lakshita ji, tell me.
Ma'am, we are coloring. Please wait, ma'am. Ma'am.
Who is saying please wait, ma'am? Arav Akshat?
Ma'am.
Arav Akshat, perfect Arav, right. We'll wait for you, no problem. Take your own time.
Gautam.
Yes, very nice. Green. Parrot green, very nice. Yeah, do slowly. This is what I wanted to do, children. I want you to color during class time. Okay, at home you play or you enjoy, have fun time. Yes, Gautam. So happy, Gautam. You got a satin ribbon for it. Very nice. Nice.
Sorry, ma'am.
Go slowly, Arav. Don't worry. I'm going to stay with you. Yes, Roshan, it is perfect. Very nice. Yes, Dayanand. Very good, Dayanand. You got a nice bangle for that. Very good. Hang it in a cupboard or somewhere. If you have an. Yes, Shravan, it's nice. Yes, Shiva. Good. Very good, Shiva. Please stay on mute. Kaushik, you're doing it. You should do it, Kaushik. Nice one, Roshan. It's nice. Colorful. Yes, I saw that, Shiva. Very nice. Yeah. Lakshraj, what are you doing? You're doing the activity. Where are you going? You help your mother should help you. You do. You have a rope. Put the rope like this inside and then take it out. You help your mother. Ma'am is going to do along with Lakshraj now. See, I'm doing like this. And then I'm going to do it with this. Okay, ma'am has done the second one. If you have got any beads, you can do. I had some old beads, so I just stuck it over there. The next one, I'm going to do it for the bigger one. Then I'm going to do a knot here. I'm going to do a knot here so that my heart doesn't move. Okay. You can, for this, you need to get help from your parents. Okay, children. If you had been at school, we would have done it together. Because of this corona, you're staying at home. Okay. Who else? Let me see. Arav Akshat has colored. How many hearts? Oops. Okay, I'm going to take my last heart. And then I'm going to pass the rope inside this hole. Take this out. Yes, you finished coloring, Arav Akshat. Perfect. Very nice, Gautam. I saw that. Yes. Then I'm going to tie this here. Yes. Nice, pretty. Parrot green and yellow. Very nice. See, I've got
வரட்டும் பிக்சர்
Diana. Adia.
I'm having power cut during this time. I'm trying to join with my mobile, but I don't have some network issue here. Okay, have you done, children? Yes, I see Roshan hanging it in there. Yes, Lakshrat, perfect. Yes, Varnika, Gautam, I see that. Yes, I see Shravan, perfect. Adya, yes. Very nice. Satvik, can you show me your hearts? Very good, Kaushik. You can color the hearts later, Kaushik. Okay, you colored it or not?
Colors.
You can color it even with bright colors, okay? Yes, Diana, it's very nice, colorful, bright. Mahaswin, very nice. Yes, and then, yes, Lakshraj, I saw that. Mahaswin, good, I saw that. Yes, Diana, can you show me? Satvik, can you show me? Show me your hearts like this. See, ma'am is showing small one. Can you show me yours? Where is yours? Can we show yours?
You are open that one. I know that again.
And feeling sleepy. Yes, Lisha. Nice, Lisha. Okay. Yes.
God, what my
Very good. Yes, Navin Surya. Perfect, Navin Surya. I saw that. Thank you so much for showing. Okay, children. Very nice. Give a big round of clap. For those who didn't do, no problem. When you come back to school, I'll give you mine. Okay, I'll give you mine and I'll do more. I'll do it exclusive. Okay, don't worry for that. Sit down. The class is not over. Mahasin, can you please sit down? The class is not over yet. Mahasin, Gautam, get back to your seats, please. Mahasin, please sit down. Yes. Okay. So what we're going to do? You have 2 days holidays, right? I'm going to show you a worksheet. You're going to please ask your parents to take a snapshot of it. I mean, then you can do this and come back to me on Monday. Okay. I'm just going to share it. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Okay. Those who have worksheet, it's day 13. SR day D13 MT maths worksheet. SR D13 day 13 MTWS01. Those who have worksheet, please check this. You will have a ladybug and a leaf like this. Those who don't have worksheet, please take a snapshot of this. You need not draw this ladybug. You can just write the numbers here and the other side the number names. The children has to match. Okay. So first 25 will be 25. TWENTY FIVE 3. THREE 3. You can just write the number names at one side. Numbers at one side and the number names to the other side. And children has to match. So this will be one of the homework. I did the. Okay, you can just take a snapshot. For those who have worksheet, it's day 13 worksheet. Okay, it's day 13. Day 13 MTWS01. That's the name of the worksheet. Grutvik, Lisha, Mahaswin, Sai Charan, and who else have worksheet? Those. Okay, Grutvik. So this is the worksheet. Others, I think you would have taken a snapshot. Can I just close this? Anybody want this anymore? If not, we'll also send you in the group. Okay. If you have not taken a snapshot, we'll send you in the group. No problem. So this is one homework I want you all to do. And before you wind up, I'll just randomly, you remember day before yesterday, I told you one activity. What I told you? Very good, Arav Akshat. It's nice and colorful. Perfect. Don't keep it in your mouth. I want you to hang it there. Take it out of your mouth, Arav Akshat. Yes. So what I want you to do.
Thank you.
Lakshraj. Lakshraj ma'am will check and update you. I'll check with Uma ma'am. She'll get back to you on this, ma'am. So regarding the kit, okay. So otherwise, I just asked you to check your parents' name and the starting letter. Do you remember that? I asked you to check. All do. I'm going to ask 5 people now. Okay, I'm going to start with Dayanand. Dayanand, please unmute. What is your father's name, Dayanand? Okay, so what is starting letter of your father? Okay, starting letter of your father. A. Very good. What is your mother's name? What is your mother's name? Very good. Usha. Uma. Okay. Okay. What is starting with your mother's name? Perfect. Very good, Dayanand. Very good. Akshat.
Radha ma'am.
Thank you, Dayanand. Akshat.
Radha ma'am, Uma here.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, if you open another session, no, you just close it off. Any other mobile or laptop, you open a same session because the echo is coming.
Is it? I just opened one thing and sir later. No, only one I have opened. I didn't open many.
Okay, ma'am, no problem.
Is it showing me many?
No, not
I
many.
think only one, ma'am.
Okay. The echo sound is coming. That's all.
I think I don't know. Problem was what, but I think No,
Oh,
I have
problem.
opened
Carry
only
on, ma'am.
one. Yeah. Okay, Akshat, tell me what is your father's name?
Ramesh.
Okay, Ramesh. So what is starting letter of your father?
R for Ramesh.
Okay. Okay, I'm talking to you, right? I want you to look at me and then talk. Keep the heart
Akshat,
down.
look, ma'am. Akshat, look, ma'am.
Please keep the heart
Ma'am,
down. I
your
want to
voice
look
is
at me and
breaking.
talk. Can you please look at me? My voice is breaking. Okay. Is it
Now
breaking
okay,
still
ma'am.
now?
Now
It's
okay,
not
ma'am.
clear?
Carry on, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, Akshat, tell me what is your mother's name?
Pushpa.
Very good. So what is the starting letter of your mother's name, Pushpa?
P. P.
Very good. Perfect. Lisha, tell me what is your mother's name? Very good, Akshat.
What is your mother's name?
Janet.
Mother's. Mother's name.
Mother. Amma. What is your mama's name?
Ma'am, what is your mother's name? Name. What's your name? Say loudly.
Ah, very good. What is starting letter of Bhavani?
What is the starting letter?
Baba. So
Say loudly.
louder. I heard. Very good. I heard that. Very good. Super. Okay. Lakshraj, tell me what is your father's name?
Daddy.
Name.
Nitin.
So what is starting letter of Nitin? Nitin.
N.
Very good. Perfect. Kaushik, tell me what is your mother's name, Kaushik?
E.
Mother's
E.
name.
Lacha.
Okay. So what is starting letter of your mother's name?
Starting letter Ilekya.
E.
E.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Father's name.
Okay.
Father's name.
Very good. Adya, tell me what is your father's name?
My father's name is Sadish Kumar.
So what is starting letter for
Yes.
Satish Kumar? Monday we are going to learn about family. Okay. So Monday when you come back, I want you to come with your father name, mother name. If you have brother or sister, learn your brother or sister's name. If you're staying with your grandparents, I want you to learn your grandparents' name too. Okay. So what you're going to do on Monday, you're going to learn your father name, mother name, grandfather, grandmother, siblings, brother or sister. Whomever you have to learn their name and come. Okay, by oral. If you are interested, if you want to learn, you can write their names too and practice. But I want at least by oral. You have to tell me. Okay, children. So one, what you're going to do, you're going to learn your family name, family member's name. Second, you're going to match the number against the number name. Will you all do that? You're good children, right? Show me thumbs up. Let me see all my good children showing me thumbs up. Some are feeling sleepy. We'll wind up now. Shiva, show me thumbs up, Shiva. Yes, I can see Sai Charan, Lakshraj, Gritvik, Dayanand, Aravakshad, Kaushik, Varnika, Shravan, Adya Shri, Mahaswin, Roshan, Jai Krish, Yuvansai, Lisha, Shiva is also showing temple. Perfect. Okay, Lakshita, okay. Very good, children. So we'll meet you on Monday. Till then, happy weekend. Take care. Bye-bye. Say thank you, man. Bye-bye.
Bye.